Hare Krishna, hope you're doing well. Let's get started with this question on maximum likelihood estimation. So, we are given a parameter which we have to get the maximum likelihood estimator of. The way we do that, first we note the PDF and note that the likelihood function is essentially the PDF, but we also consider the log likelihood so that it becomes easier to find the derivative later. This is the log likelihood for the single observation. Then we compute the log likelihood for the entire sample of n observations, which is nothing but the log of the joint PDF. And the log of this product breaks into the summation, which when expanded gives this form. And the final step, just differentiate this and equate the derivative to 0 and find beta on the LHS and the other expression on the RHS. That would be the maximum likelihood estimator over here. And another hint, to solve this faster, research on the beta distribution. Notice that this is a specific case of the beta distribution. That's it. Take care. Hare Krishna.